Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Fit 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the water lock mode on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our device. To do it, simply tap on the bottom of the screen, like this. After you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here, swipe left on the screen to scroll through the pages, like this. Scroll through the pages until you find this icon right here, the one with the water droplets on it. And to enable the water lock mode, simply tap on this icon. And you should see this icon right here on the screen, and then you should have the water droplets on your screen. That means that the water lock mode is enabled. And to disable the water lock mode, simply tap on the bottom of the screen until you see this on the screen. Then press and hold on this water lock mode icon and drag it to the top of the screen and release it. Then we need to drag it to the bottom of the screen again. So let's press and hold and drag it to the bottom. And as you can see, it's turning off now. We can also enable the water lock mode through the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here, open the Galaxy Wearable app on our phone. In the app, let's scroll down and select the advanced option. As you can see here we have the water lock mode. Tap on it and then tap on turn on. As you can see, it's enabled. And to disable it, we need to go back to our tracker, tap on the bottom of the screen until we see this, and then drag it to the top and drag it to the bottom like this. And that's how you enable the water lock mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.